So welcome to Busuanga Island, or more specifically, welcome to Busuanga Bay, where I live. And I'm sitting from a very different angle today because I live up here inside.
I'm trying, Mum, and
Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm just getting a gin and tonic. And this is the bay that we normally look down on, but today I'm looking from the bay because I'm on a ship. And we're going to be doing an 8-day cruise to El Nido from Coron, which would normally take about 4 hours by fast track, but somehow we're going to make it last 8 days. We're going to go island hopping, and this is one of the pleasures of living here, is that you can hire boats like this. Now, you probably can't hire this boat because it's privately owned and they are very good friends of ours, but you can hire boats and we can help you get those boats if you want. You can come here and have cruises around Palawan. So we're going to document the trip. This is day one. We're just getting ready to leave the bay and I have absolutely no idea where we're going. So it's a bit of a mystery tour, but look at the day, it's beautiful. You wouldn't believe that about 15-20 minutes ago it was absolutely pouring with rain. So the morning started a bit like this, and then this afternoon we just, what time is it now, about 12:30 in the afternoon, it poured down with rain for about half an hour, and now it's beautiful again and it's hot. So welcome to Busuanga Island, welcome to our little 8-day trip. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do, and I'll keep going back making videos and bringing you up to date as we go along. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.